Hi everyone, I'm Maddie and I'm with Leah, and she is going to demonstrate side lying legs on the mat. And so I'll have you come down on your side, and she's got her block ready for her head as a pillow. You could also use your arm and bend it and lay over it that way as well. Okay, so her shoulders, her head, her hips are in line, pelvis is in line, everything looks great. Pelvis is neutral, right? So she's not going to overly tuck or arch her low back here or the pelvis, right? She's nice and neutral. And then again, she's not letting that left hip hike up towards her shoulder in an extreme way. Yep. Okay. So what you'll do is you're going to straighten out the left leg on top of the right. And I will say, yes, you can go both legs straight. If she kept her right leg bent underneath, that would be a regression. So a little easier if you need to. Okay. So both legs will be straight. And you're just going to start to lift and lower your left leg. Yep, just like that. And it doesn't have to be really big, doesn't have to be extreme. Her toes pointing towards the camera is most important. For you at home, just think about it as your leg is moving, your hip is abducting, but you're not changing the pelvis. Good. And then we're going to add on. So you're going to go up, take it forward, and then take it back. Yep, and I love it. Flex the foot to go forward is fun, and then point the foot to go back is great. Again, pelvis will stay still, core is helping you, and you can use your top hand to help support you. And then, Leah, you're going to go forward with the leg, and then take it up, take it back, and take it down. So more of like a circle. And you can always do these smaller as well if you need that option. And then you'll reverse. Good. So that's side lying legs on the mat. A lot of great options here. You can do like a bicycle movement, things like that, but that is the most basic few exercises to begin with.